Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains Out, and today we're at Swindon on the Great Western Mainline. We're receiving services from Great Western Railway, and that's probably about it. There goes 800 008 with the Pride Rainbow on there, working the 1742 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. This service brought me in from Chippenham. On the rear is 800 022. There's 800 015. That'll be working a Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. There's another 800 paired up with it, but obviously I couldn't give you the numbers. I'm just debating what part of the station to stand at. I may actually spend the majority of my time down here on the basis that you actually get pretty good views all round, to be fair. It seems fairly consistent, so I may actually just hang around down here. Admittedly, I'm going to be in I'm in the sun no matter what I do. But, yeah, it may be more advantageous if I just stayed at this end of the world. I'll have a think, but I'm 99.9% sure I'll probably be down here for most of this. But anyhow, yeah, let's see what shall turn up. Okay, 800 015 is now departing with the, what I believe to be the 1749 to Cardiff Central. Yeah, I could be wrong. I'll just try checking real-time trains to give me some clarity onto what's actually coming and going. Not really helping me, so what I may do, I may just shimmy on a little bit up here and just stand near to the destination boards, because that might actually give me more of a better clue as to what I'm actually doing. What I can tell you with some degree of vague certainty is there's a Great Western Railway high-speed train coming in. Not going very high speed, mind you. I don't know if it's actually a scheduled stop or if this is indeed a passing service. I've got a sneaky suspicion this actually may be a passing service from Penzance to London Paddington, but then why would it be on this platform? I don't know. Oh, it's a mystery. Anyhow, at the front is 43042. I think it is stopping. It is indeed stopping. Well, when it stops, I'll be able to find out what service this is. Okay, 43042 is about ready to depart with the delayed 1737 Great Western Railway service from Paddington to London Paddington. And then there should be a Penzance to London Paddington service after this. I think they just enjoy throwing random consists together, don't they? On the rear is 43171. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be the Penzance to London Paddington bound Great Western Railway high-speed train service. Time to accelerate towards the green, with 43155 leading the red arrows. With 43028 trailing. Okay, the next train to arrive is the 1756 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads, worked by a pair of 800s. Leading the way is 800-021, that's all beep from the driver there, thank you very much. On the rear is 800-035. Again, at departing is the 1756 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads. Those 800s have some fantastic acceleration, they really do. Okay, the next train to arrive is the 1806 Great Western Railway high-speed train service from Cheltenham Spa to London Paddington. With 43,176 leading. I'll get the rear upon her departure. Okay, about ready to depart is the 1606 Great Western Railway service from Cheltenham Spa to London Paddington. Thank you very much. And a wave as well from the driver. Again, thank you kindly, sir. So, have you mashed together a random consist this time, or is it fairly well to do? So far, it makes sense. Continues to make sense. That sounds healthy. Oh no, you've put a green in one just for good measure. Excellent. Good show. On the rear is new tab at 150, 43,137. What I'll do, I'll spend the first 20 minutes of this video at this end of the station, and I'll spend the final 20 minutes up the other end. Just that way I capture the multiple unit workings as well. Okay, the next train to arrive is the 1812 Great Western Railway high-speed train service to London Paddington from Weston-super-Mare. This will have 43002 on the rear, and this should, in theory, be a debranded HST. It is in fact a debranded HST with 43138 at the front. Lovely. Okay, 43138 is getting ready to depart with the 1812 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Well, that sounded healthy. Green buffet car. And there goes 43002 Sir Kenneth Grange. fact, I tell you what, I'll spend the rest of the blah blah blah. I shall spend the rest of the film at the top end of the station, as there should be a couple of multiple unit trains disappearing soon. Okay, well I've moved up here, but sadly I missed both the DMU departures, but I'm sure they'll be back in due course. I realised I didn't actually do any historical information whatsoever about Swindon at the start of the old video, so I thought, well, 10 minutes in, I might as well give you a wee bit of history. The station was opened in 1842, but it was originally called Swindon Junction, primarily because it sits on a junction. But eventually it was renamed to Swindon a fair few years later, in 1961. Basically, it's just kept the same name ever since. The station itself is probably it's changed over the time. Bay platforms being introduced. Obviously now with the catenary coming in, the platforms are getting just changed a bit to cater for them. But fundamentally, the station hasn't changed all that much. There'll be a few more differences that obviously there'll be the description below for everyone to read. The station averages about I'm going to say 3.4 million a year. What have we got here? It's taken 3.2, this is from 2012 up till now, 3.2, 3.3, 3.5, 3.5, and 3.6. So you have for an average of 3.4 million. So it's steady, very steady. But then when you think, given the size of the place, you've got to imagine a lot of people probably have jobs in the city of London anyhow. So you'd get them in coming from here. There's obviously, you've got the Swindon Railway Museum here as well, of course, so you'll get visitors getting the train to here for that and all. I've never actually really explored Swindon all that much, so I don't actually know what there is to do here. Unlike Bath, I can't really promote it all that much. But I'm sure there's plenty of things that they're able to do here. I mean, the only one I can think of is obviously the Railway Museum, for obvious reasons. But I'm sure there are other things here for everybody to indulge in. Okay, the next train to arrive is going to be the 1831 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. This will be working a service from Swansea. Taking the service is 800 308. One of the 9-car IETs. Okay, 800 308 is about ready to depart with the 1831 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Note that they're all running under diesel power at the moment, none of them are switching to electric. And also now coming in is the 1831 Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. The rear of this service is terminating at Bristol Temple Meads. 800 012 is leading, and I'll get the rear set up on her departure. Okay, about ready to depart is the 1831 Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. on the rear is 800,025. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Great Western Railway high-speed train service from London Paddington to Penzance. Three 160. With 43098. Okay, the next train to arrive is the 1840 Great Western Railway service to Carmarthen, worked by a singular IET. I shall get the number for you when that departs. Again, departing is the 1840 Great Western Railway service to Carmarthen, with Paddington Bear 800,010. And the Michael Bond's nameplate on the rear. Okay, our final train of the day is going to be the late running 1842 Great Western Railway service from Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington. It's a slightly shorter video than I originally would have liked, but sadly time is not on my side, and I need to get back to Bristol Parkway to go and pick up the car and then drive it back into the Midlands. So don't want to be leaving it too late before I decide to head on back. But either way, this is a fantastic station. I will come back here and I will stay here longer. This is 800,309. I will come back to Swindon. That is a guarantee. I am going to spend much more time here, because this station is absolutely fantastic, just from what I've seen from my brief stay here. Fantastic views all round. In hindsight, I probably should have stayed at this end of the platform, but I now know for next time. But my train will be in the next couple of minutes, so I've had to mosey on over here. But it's a fantastic station to come to. I will come back here. I will spend much longer here. And if I come back down during the week at some stage, I might even catch a bit of freight in my next little adventure. But my next film is going to be from Oxford. Really looking forward to going back to there. Filmed there at the later stages of last year. It was a fantastic station, and I'm just really looking forward to going back there again, catch more Great Western Railway services, hopefully a bit of freight, and obviously I'll catch the Chiltern Mainline services. I may even be able to catch a 68 hauled set pulling into Oxford if I go there on a weekday, which I should be doing. So anyway, until next time, from me here at a very sunny, and you can't probably read that. Should we try again? Should we try again? Hold on, there we are. From a very sunny and blinding Swindon, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.